Hello, in this video, we'll learn to configure the Microsoft Learn MCP connection in BMC HelixGPT and use its tools in AI agents. At Apex Global, service desk agents often need to refer to Microsoft documentation and code samples to resolve incidents. Manual searches take hours. Johnny, the BMC HelixGPT administrator, wants to resolve this issue by integrating Microsoft Learn MCP with HelixGPT. Now, by using the Microsoft Learn tools, service desk agents get official guides and code samples in a chat, saving their valuable time and ensuring accurate information. To begin the configuration, Johnny logs into HelixGPT Agent Studio with admin credentials. He opens Settings, HelixGPT, Connections, MCP Servers, clicks Add Server, and enters the server name, description, and MCP endpoint URL for Microsoft Learn. For authentication, he selects None because the Microsoft Learn MCP does not require authentication, then clicks Save. The MCP connection is now active. Next, Johnny opens the Tools page, clicks Add Tool or Toolkit, enters the tool name, and selects Model Context Protocol as the type. He selects the Microsoft Learn MCP server and clicks Discover Tools. Then selects the required tools from the list and clicks Add. These tools are now part of the MCP toolkit. He then opens the Agent screen and adds the MS Learn toolkit to the Employee Navigator agent. Next, he opens the Skills screen and adds the Employee Navigator agent to the Employee Navigator for the Helix skill. Finally, Johnny logs in to the BMC Helix Digital Workplace Admin Console, opens Configuration, Chat, and selects Skill as Employee Navigator for Helix, and saves the configuration. That's it. The Microsoft MCP connection is now integrated with Employee Navigator without having to perform any custom integration or development. The service desk agents can simply ask questions in chat and get accurate Microsoft documentation instantly. For more information, please refer to the product documentation. Thanks for watching.